Keywords won't save you anymore. In 2025, AI assistants like ChatGPT and Google SGE decide which brands get quoted, and which stay invisible. The problem: most marketers still chase rankings. But assistants don't care about keywords, they care about clarity, structure, and authority. Without these, your content never makes it into the AI spotlight. How assistants choose. Assistants quote content that's short, clear, and easy to verify. Think structured answers, answer boxes, FAQ schema, and one claim per paragraph. That's what gets picked up. Patterns that work. Here are 3 content patterns assistants love. Keycap 1 answer box at the top. Keycap 2 FAQ schema at the bottom. Keycap 3 1 claim per paragraph. Follow this, and your brand becomes assistant-proof. From visibility to conversions, but visibility alone won't grow your business. You need to add CTAs, from free checklists to demos, so when assistants quote you, visitors convert into customers. Stop chasing rankings. Beyond keywords. How to make AI assistants quote your brand. Download our free AI marketing checklist and make your funnels assistant-proof today.